Hello everyone, hi, welcome to another review video. We are talking about Mars Matte Mousse lipsticks, and now let me spill the tea. Firstly, the shade range was very good. They comes in a 12 shades. All shades are very brown girl Indian skin tone friendly. Then if we are talking about the price range, it is very affordable. Packaging was very good, a 10 on 10, very luxe packaging. Okay, everyone is talking about how blurry they are, how smooth they are, how moussey they are. Firstly, it's a mousse lipstick, so basically it's a mousse formula. And if we are talking about the blurring the lip lines, yes, it blurs your lip lines, but not that much. Like you can see in my case, it does not blend or blur too much of my lip lines, but the formulation is very smooth, so my lips looks really smooth. Like I apply silicone primer before this lipstick, and like you can see, this shade is so pretty, like very beautiful pinkish brown color, looks really beautiful on brown skin tone. But like you can see, it is smudge out very easily. Like you can see that transfer is very visible in this lipsticks. Definitely they will not survive your one oily meal. Like if you are applying in a party and you having a fun good food, they will not survive, to be very honest. Same case with Roman velvet tint. They are not that long lasting. They smudge out very easily. You can't have too much of a food. They only last 4 to 5 hours. Same with them. But if you remember, Lakme also have mousse lipstick in 9 to 5 range, and that was my standard for mousse lipstick. They are very long lasting, comes in a different shade. If we compare with them, I don't think you're gonna like this formula, because you find so many folds in this formulation. Like they does not last, smudge very easily, transfer very easily, and I don't think so they are waterproof too. But if you like creamy matte lipstick, very lightweight, then you gonna love this one. So yeah, here is my review. Thank you for watching. Bye, see you in another video.